I have this problem where my taillights I keep having to replace the circuit boards in the back of them. And as much as I've wanted these for a long time, I just could never find myself to like bite the bullet at the right time. But with having replaced those little circuit boards like 3 or 4 times already, I kind of figured now's basically the best time to do this. Let me grab this real quick. Whoa. I don't know if they super clean these or what, but that lens is flawless. Oh, that's cool. They have the bottom cut out too, so it's like a little bit extra of the reverse light. But I'm not sure. Well, I guess you could kind of see it. It has the C bar in the middle, or on the outsides, I mean. And then in the middle is just the LEDs for the brake lights. So the C bar lights up for the tail light, or just running lights, and then the brakes are inside, which is pretty cool. Let's see what they have going on in the back. Okay, I see. Nice. And then I guess this is going to be like the module for the actual running lights, those C-shape. So that's pretty sweet. I like how everything's kind of like chrome painted. That's pretty sweet, actually. I'll just go ahead and get this busted off, and then we will get to installing them. So let me disconnect this and then we'll do a side by side. So the first thing is the reverse is way larger of an area. Don't want to lay that on its side. This one I will. Fitment was a little tight to get it started in there, but overall fits pretty well. This was previous, so it's not going to look the best on this side, but it'll look better on the other side. Then I just did the same thing on the right side. Put that little module back there. What's good about these is getting them in is a little difficult, only because it's super tight, so you know they're making a good connection. This side's not bad up here, but over here has a little bit of an obvious gap. So if you want to take some clear silicone, that would fix that real easy. It's pretty nice over here, and honestly at the bottom is super nice too. Definitely looks a little bit more modern.